Hello guys, my name is Ajay Kashyap and I'm graphic design and UX trainer at Blika Services. Today I'm here to tell you how to change color of any object in Photoshop with easy steps. So without wasting time, let's start. So we are on our Photoshop. I have a I have one image of new red car. So let's change the color of this car. So firstly, we have go to our layer panel, then click and click on hue and saturation. After click on this hand option, then click on the red shade because we want to change the red color. As you see, oh, let's change the hue and see, that's magic. You can adjust the saturation according to your requirements. I look like this one. Okay, let's try on another image. So we have one diamond. Let's do same here. So go to hue and saturation, then click on hand tool and pick the red color and then change the hue and see, it's magic. You can change the color according to your requirements. It's all up to you. How do you change? Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.